Have you ever wondered how chocolate is made? From the cacao plant to your favorite chocolate bar, there's a fascinating process that turns hard, bitter pods into sweet, creamy chocolate. Today, we're taking you on a journey through each step of chocolate making. Whether you're a chocolate connoisseur or just curious about this delicious treat, join us as we uncover the secrets of how chocolate is made. Our story begins in the heart of tropical regions where the cacao tree thrives. This evergreen tree produces the cacao pod, which contains the beans that will eventually be transformed into chocolate. Harvesting these pods is a labor-intensive process that requires skilled hands to select only the ripest pods. Once harvested, the pods are taken to a clean area for fermentation. This crucial step takes about 6 to 8 days and is carried out in wooden boxers. During fermentation, the pods are left to undergo natural microbial overgrowth. This process develops the characteristic chocolate flavor and aroma, while also reducing the astringency of the beans. Skilled fermenters monitor the temperature and turn the pods regularly to ensure even development. The end result is a transformation in both taste and texture. After fermentation, the pods are ready for drying. This process removes excess moisture and prepares the beans for further processing. The dried beans are then transported to factories where the journey from bean to chocolate truly begins. At the factory, the first step is to crack and winnow the beans. This is done to remove any remaining outer shell and other debris. The resulting product is known as nibs, which are pieces of cacao that contain all the essential components of chocolate. These nibs are then roasted to enhance their flavor and aroma. Roasting is a carefully calibrated process that must be carefully controlled to achieve the desired taste. Depending on the type of chocolate being produced, the roasting time can vary between 15 minutes and an hour. During this time, the nibs undergo a significant transformation, developing the rich, complex flavors that chocolate lovers crave. After roasting, the nibs are ready for the next stage, pressing. This step is optional and is used to separate the cocoa butter from the cocoa powder. For dark and bittersweet chocolates, this separation is not necessary, and the roasted nibs are ground directly into a thick liquid known as chocolate liquor. However, for milk and white chocolate, pressing is required to extract the cocoa butter, which is then mixed with sugar and milk to create the characteristic smooth texture and creamy taste. Whether or not pressing is used, the next step is mixing and refining. This involves blending different batches of chocolate, liquor, or cocoa powder with sugar and other ingredients like vanilla. The mixture is then refined to ensure a smooth and creamy texture. This is achieved by congeing a process that refines the texture and flavor of the chocolate. It typically involves heating the chocolate mixture and continuously agitating it to remove air bubbles and distribute the ingredients evenly. The longer the chocolate is conched, the smoother and more intense the flavor becomes. Some manufacturers may add additional ingredients during this stage, such as lecithin to prevent the chocolate from seizing up during processing, or salt to enhance the overall flavor. The next step in the chocolate making process is tempering. Tempering is a crucial process that involves heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures to create a stable and glossy finish. This is achieved by carefully melting a portion of the chocolate and then adding it back to the main batch, which has been cooled to a lower temperature. This process ensures that the cocoa butter crystallizes properly, resulting in a shiny and smooth texture. Tempering is essential for creating high-quality chocolate that melts smoothly in the mouth and has a professional finish. Once the chocolate has been tempered, it's ready for molding. In this final stage, the liquid chocolate is poured into molds to create the desired shapes. After the chocolate sets, the molds are opened and the finished chocolate bars or other shapes are removed. Some chocolates may undergo additional decoration or packaging at this stage, but many are left in their natural form, showcasing the rich, dark beauty of the cocoa bean. And that, my friends, is how chocolate is made. It's a fascinating process that transforms humble cacao beans into one of the world's most beloved treats. Each step from harvesting to molding is a testament to the skill, expertise, and passion that go into creating the chocolate we enjoy. Whether it's the rich, dark intensity of a single origin bar or the creamy sweetness of a milk chocolate truffle, every bite of chocolate is a reminder of the intricate journey it took to reach our plate. So the next time you indulge in a chocolate bar, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication that went into making it. From the farmers who grow the cacao beans to the artisans who mold and decorate each piece, every chocolate is a small masterpiece. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the chocolate you love.